Hey all, 828 Find Adventure here. I'm going to install this gizmo in my vehicle so I can use Apple CarPlay without plugging a wire into my phone. Why would I want another wire just dangling around inside my vehicle? Anyways, let's go install it and check it out and see what you think. Let's go do it. Okay guys, let's go hook up this wireless CarPlay module. Let's do it. Okay, this is the wireless CarPlay adapter that's compatible with Apple CarPlay. It'll work with factory-wired Apple CarPlay in the vehicle. What you get in the box is the small USB module that measures roughly the size of a business card by about a ½ inch thick. You get a USB cord that plugs into your vehicle and some directions with very teeny print. So you'll probably need glasses to read it. What I did was I went ahead and plugged in the USB cord into the module, and then I took the other end and plugged it into my vehicle's USB port, as you can see here. Then I just set it down there on my console for now, but I will find a permanent place for it later. Go ahead and start your vehicle. You can see it's pairing to your Bluetooth. Takes a second. If you can't find it, or if it doesn't connect right away, go ahead and go to your phone and Bluetooth and make sure it's connected in there. You will see it. Once you get this initial pairing done, every time you get in the car with your phone, it'll automatically connect, which is great. And you can always go back and just use your radio, the OEM style, if you want. Anyways, so after this few minutes of getting it all paired and ready to use, boom, it comes up. And you can see it gives you not all the apps on your phone, but most of the Apple apps. And it'll also do Google Maps and Apple Maps, and it'll do my Alexa music, different things like that. It won't do YouTube, I don't think, probably for safety reasons. But anyways, you can still click around and go through your buttons just like the normal factory radio would do. So that's nice to do. To find your radio stations, then you can go to the Apple CarPlay and you can do this. Now, at first I didn't know if this was going to work out the way I liked it, but now that I've used it for a week, I'm really starting to like it. And I just like being able to, the ease of using this. I'm getting used to the maps. It's different than what I'm used to on my phone. I have noticed that it doesn't let you through CarPlay using Google Maps. If there is a crash, it doesn't let you mark that on the map. So, you know, like you can mark delays with Waze, that app. I've noticed through CarPlay it doesn't let me, but I'm going to work with it some more till I can figure that out. But other than that, I love this. It's great when somebody texts you. It comes up in big print. The buttons are easy to hit. You can text somebody through microphone. It just works really well. Now, this little module is small, and you can mount it anywhere, but the USB cord that it comes with is only about 6 inches long. So I just put some heavy-duty 3M Velcro on it, and I just have it mounted right here on my console. You might be able to tuck it away underneath. There might be just enough cord to do that. You could put it, you know, behind the toggle switches. You could remove the actual console and place it underneath. It's so small you can mount it anywhere, but this is where I mounted it for now. Don't know how long it'll be there, but it works great right now, where it's at. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of me installing the wireless Apple CarPlay module in my Tundra. I really like it. It's I've used it a while now, and it is working really good. It's growing on me. I wish it was all just included in the radio. You know, it's just a little bitty inexpensive module that keeps you from having to use that extra wire. Anyways, it's growing on me. I like it. I'm getting used to the maps on it and everything else. I really like when somebody messages you. It's really easy to use and message back. Everything seems to be working really good. I think it should have come with the vehicle, but you know, that's what they do. So anyways, I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked seeing what this thing is all about. If you would, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And stay tuned, I've got more videos coming. So see you later.